Thank you so much for having us. This is really exciting. We've been talking about me and Sophie all week, but we're really excited to be here. And Peggy has been really amazing planning this event. I'm going to do a quick little presentation on Wine to Water, what we do, what we're about. We're going to have Peggy and John come up and drink some of the lake water. How was it? So I'll tell you guys a little bit about the filters that you're going to be building today. These filter out 99% of all the things you might want in your water. A lot of times when we're implementing these filters, it is in a disaster relief setting, whether that is a war disaster like in Ukraine right now. We're currently working on implementing 12,000 filters in different refugee camps. And so something that's really exciting about what you guys are doing today is that took a pretty big dip out of our inventory. And so you guys are really helping us replenish our inventory to be able to respond to the next disaster.